Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play co-op in Madden NFL 27 with a friend. There are several multiplayer options you can use both locally and online. For local couch play, go to quick play and then select play now. As long as you have two controllers connected, you can choose your sides, pick your teams and play a match together on the same console. If you wanna play against your friend online, go back to the main menu and select online head to head. From here, you can invite your friend, choose your teams and play a regular online game against each other. You can also play together through franchise mode. Go into franchise, create a new league and choose the online multiplayer option. Once your league is set up, go to options from top, then select members. After that, invite your friend on any of the team and play through the same franchise together. And finally, there's ultimate team. If you already built your ultimate team, go into the play section and select play a friend. From there, you can set up a match, invite your friend and use your ultimate team to play against them online. So whether you wanna play locally, online, through franchise or with your ultimate team, Madden 27 gives you several ways to play with friends. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.